Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove libraries folder from desktop directory in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can remove library folder? So let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a registry editor and open a registry editor. Right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select a HKey local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out a Microsoft and expand it. After that, find out a Windows, scroll down. Now here is a Windows, select it and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out a policies. Now here is a policies and expand it. Select a non-enums, and after doing this test, right click on a new and select a default 32-bit value. Set a name is like this. Paste it, open it and change our value data is 0 to 1. Click on OK button and close it. After completing that, close it. Right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. Scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Click on and click on restart. It's required for a few seconds. After that, close it and open a. Now after doing this, that the libraries folders is gone. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.